For more than 20 years, Pallet Machinery Group has proudly served the pallet and wood processing industries, providing not only equipment, but the technical expertise and deep industry experience our customers need to run more efficient, more profitable, and safer operations around the country. We partner with the very best machine manufacturers and service providers to bring our customers state-of-the-art industrial equipment and repair and rebuild services. We are a single-source partner for all your equipment needs. From new state-of-the-art machinery to helping customers buy and sell used machinery and upgrading older pallet nailing equipment to improve productivity, we have the knowledge, experience, and equipment to find the right solution for your operation. We are committed to helping our customers improve the productivity, safety, and sustainability of their operations. Our M2L board stacker automates stacking, reducing worker back strain and injury risk. It stacks 8 layers per minute at standard speed and up to 20 layers per minute with our ultra-high-speed model. The AIT HY400 center split RESAW is heavy-duty and built for maximum productivity, featuring a variable speed board feed up to 400 feet per minute. Its dual 50-horsepower motors and robust 2.5-inch diameter spindles are capable of accommodating up to 3 blades. The LZ2000 pallet nailing system features operator-friendly touchscreen controls, cool operating oversized hydraulic units, quick changeover, bulk nails, and can process up to 2,000 pallets per shift. The KA6000 notcher is named for its production capacity of up to 6,000 stringers per hour. It features an auto-feed unscrambler for inline, low-labor operation. It is available with a board bypass option to enable consolidation of your line footprint while maximizing throughput. The KA6000 notcher is also fully compatible with our M2L stacker. The AIT DEDUSTER 120 is built on a modified platform of the industry-proven M2L unscrambler. It removes even the finest dust particles with a 10-port vacuum system and 4 independently driven, adjustable height brushes with a 120 lug per minute feed rate that matches the 15 layer per minute M2L stacker. We offer a wide range of reliable, high-quality used machinery and can help you find exactly what you need through our broad network of trusted sellers. Ready to sell? Working with our global network of wood processing companies, our knowledgeable sales experts will help you find a qualified buyer for your used equipment. With decades of combined industry experience and a suite of software solutions, our team of experts offer a fresh set of eyes to analyze your production workflow. We'll recommend carefully considered machinery layout adjustments to increase your productivity, reduce labor, and improve profitability. Pallet Machinery Group can also breathe new life into your older pallet equipment with custom upgrades, modernizing the technology of your older pallet machines to bring them up to today's standards and keep them performing for years to come. Pallet Machinery Group has been a proud partner to the pallet and wood processing industries for more than 20 years, providing machinery sales and service, workflow optimization consulting, here to help our customers operate more efficient, safer, more profitable operations for years to come.